योगयुक्ताय सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। दक्षिणामूर्ति गुरु स्तोत्रम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sankachatvam Samvadhatvam Sambho Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagai Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantra Vimantra Evaha Samanena Voha Vishajuhomi Samani Vaakutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Omanaha सुसहासति। पंचांगम। अद्यतन पंचांगम षड्विंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री क्रोधीनाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं हेमंत ऋतुः पुष्यमासः शुक्लपक्षः द्वादशी तिथिः रोहिणी नक्षत्रं शुक्लयोगः बालवकरणं स्थिरवासरः। Today's date 11th of January 2025 Saturday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वाराधायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
Yes, we will all chant together. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Mantah Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedai Sangapadakramopaniषदैहि गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु राजयोगशोकसंग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्। शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चैलातियंशोत्तरम् अपाने जुह्वति प्राणम् शनैः शनैरुपरमे बुद्ध्या त्रुटिगृहीतया आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत्. Did you chant yesterday this shloka? Yes. Then let's chant together. Prashantatma vigatadhihi brahmachari vrate sthitaha manas samyamyamachittaha yukta asita matparaha. Now we will take this next shloka. Please chant after me. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna
Chanchalam hi manah Krishna, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna,
Pramathi balavadridham
Pramati balavadridham, Pramati balavadridham,
Chanchalam hi manah Krishna Pramathi balavadridham
Chanchalam hi manah Krishna, Pramati balavadridham, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna, Pramati balavadridham,
Tasyaham nigraham manye
Tasyaham nigraham manye, Tasyaham nigraham manye,
Vayuriva sudushkaram
Vayuriva sudushkaram, Vayuriva sudushkaram,
Tasyaham nigraham manye Vayuriva sudushkaram
Tasyaham nigraham manye, Vayuriva sudushkaram, Tasyaham nigraham manye, Vayuriva sudushkaram.
The whole shloka. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna Pramathi balavadridham Tasyaham nigraham manye Vayuriva sudushkaram.
Chanchalam hi manah Krishna, Pramati balavadridham, Tasyaham nigraham manye, Vayuriva sudushkaram. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna, Pramati balavadridham, Tasyaham nigraham manye, Vayuriva sudushkaram.
Let's now quickly see the meaning of this very famous shloka. The word split. Chanchalam hi manaha Krishna Pramathi balavat dridham Tasya aham nigraham manye Vayoho iva sudushkaram. Now, so far we were seeing the Upadeshas of Krishna. Suddenly there is a question of Arjuna. Not only in this place, in many places Arjuna intervenes, or in the beginning of the chapter or in the middle of the chapter, suddenly Arjuna asks a question. Do you think that Arjuna is a person with a very less comprehension capability? Actually, in the beginning, Acharya Shankara in his commentary says why Arjuna was chosen. He was the chosen one because Gunadhikaihi grihitaha hi anushthiyamanaha dharmaha prachayan gavishyati. He is the best among the persons to receive. He is a very, not only physically strong, as in many places, Mahabahu, he is described. He is also very intellectually sharp. But again, whenever some teaching is given, suddenly Arjuna gets up and asks a question. There is a technique in teaching which is portrayed by a physical example. Sthuna nikhanana nyaya. Sthuna nikhanana nyaya means when we drive a pillar or a post inside the ground. So we want to tie something, but we want to plant or kind of drive a post, big post down the ground, an iron post or a wooden post. How is it driven down? Do we dig a pit and then put it there? Of course, a small opening is made, but what is done is we shake it back and forth, and slowly the pillar or the post goes down and down. So this is called as the Sthuna Nikhanana Nyaya. In the same way, just when I give the teaching, sometimes the teachings will not go in. So back and forth, back and forth. When questions and answers are asked and replied. So the teaching will go deep down inside. So this is not lack of comprehension from Arjuna, but this is a subtle teaching technique called as question answer methodology or sthuna nikhanana nyaya, by which the concept is being driven home. What is the concept which is being driven home? That while the teaching is very easy, to meditate Raja Yoga from the beginning. Oh, meditate, sit like this, sit in this place, focus in this manner, prepare your body like this, do this ahara and so on and so forth. While the teaching is easy, but it is very easy said than done. So hence, just Arjuna is taking our side in presenting that, oh Krishna, the meaning of the word Krishna is also very interesting. Karshati iti Krishnaha. Karshati, there are two meanings to it. Krisha Vilekhane. Vilekhana means to plow. The one who plows the heart of everyone. In the sense, he upturns all the negative things and brings forth. When plowing is done in the agricultural field, what happens? The less fertile soil is turned and then the fertile soil comes up. So that is one meaning that is there in the meaning of the word Krishna. Another one is Karshana, the one who is attractive. So the one who attracts, oh Krishna, you wax very eloquently. You are very attractive in personality and speech. Whatever, so he is particularly using the word Krishna. You speak very attractively about meditation, so on and so forth. Very good to hear. But do you know what is the nature of the mind? Manaha chanchalam. Chanchalam means extremely fickle. Later Krishna will say Manaha is not chanchalam, it is only chalam. So he has added superlative and says mind is, do you know Krishna? Mind is extremely fickle, and then it is a pramathi. Pramathi means it is a revolting in nature. It is a tumultuous in nature, and balavat means it is very strong. To change its nature is very difficult. It's very strong in itself because of its purva samskaras, and dridham, and also stubborn. So such is the nature of the mind. Krishna, do you know? As if Krishna does not know, Arjuna says, Manaha is chanchalam, it is pramathi, it is dridham. And do you know, to make it clear to you, oh Krishna, let me give an example. It is as difficult to control the mind as it is difficult to control a wind. As if I will capture the wind or air and put it in a box. If someone says how laughable it will be, similarly when you speak that control the mind and so on and so forth, it is as impossible as if controlling the air. So hence all this is what you say is not very convincing to me. So this is sthuna nikhanana nyayaha. The response of Krishna will come in the next shloka.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma